You say you'll be down in 5. The smell of your perfume is floating down the stairs.
I, Chris, promise to you, Maddie, before our family and friends, to stand by your side, to share and support your hopes and dreams, to vow to always be there for you. When you fall, I will catch you. When you cry, I will comfort you. When you laugh, I will share your joy, no matter what life is ahead of us. No matter what lies ahead of us. I will see it as a journey that can only be completed together. I promise this now and forever.
I'm speechless, staring at you standing there in that dress. What it's doing to me ain't a secret, 'cause watching you is all that I can do. And I'm speechless, you already know that you're my weakness. After all this time I'm just as nervous every time you walk into the room. I'm speechless.
I, Maddie, promise to you, Chris, before our friends and family, to stand by your side, to share and support your hopes and dreams. I vow to always be there for you. When you fall, I will catch you. When you cry, I will comfort you. When you laugh, I will share your joy. No matter what lies ahead of us, I see it as a journey that can only be completed together. I promise this now and forever.
Days, ever since the day that we met. You take the breath out of my lungs, can't even fight it. And all of the words out of my mouth without even trying.
It is my honor and privilege to present to you Mr. and Mrs. Warren.
What it's doing to me ain't a secret, 'cause watching you is all that I can do. And I'm speechless, you already know that you're my weakness. After all this time I'm just as nervous every time you walk into the room. I'm speechless. Yeah, baby. It's always on a night like tonight, I thank God you can read my mind. 'Cause when you look at me with those eyes, I'm speechless. You're standing there in that dress. Girl, it ain't a secret, 'cause watching you is all that I can do. When your legs don't work like they used to before, and I can't sweep you off of your feet, will your mouth still remember the taste of my love? Will your eyes still smile from your cheeks? Darling, I will be loving you till we're 70. And baby, my heart could still fall as hard at 23. And I'm thinking about how people fall in love in mysterious ways. Maybe just the touch of